yes guys, this is how my pork look. That take it time and a steam cook by itself. After when the water where spring by itself dry out, then I will throw some more water on it and then make it cook down. Make it cook. So now I'm going to check for my peas pot. So it'll boil up. After this seasoning cook, then me add a little piece of butter and then put in my rice. Alright, so I'm going to add my butter now to my pot, to my rice pot. And then it's time to wash the rice. Put in the rice. Now guys, I stir the rice. And you have to make sure so you stir the rice properly, because it will stick to the pot bottom and then got burned. Alright? So my rice now set and ready to cook. So I'm going to check on the pork one more time guys. Brown up nicely. After this water dried out, then we add some. After this water dry out, then we add some water to make it cook. Alright. So the water will sprinkle itself, dry out now, so I'm going to add some water to it. Don't really have a measurement, just add it to it and then allow this water to cook it. Maybe like the next 20 minutes or 25 minutes. So alright guys, the pork finally cook. I'm going to re-season it now. Just so add a little bit of ketchup, just a small amount, and so this is how it looks guys. Then right here we have the onion, hot pepper, thyme, scallion, carrot and sweet pepper. That's all I'm going to add to it guys, and then allow it to simmer down and then it's ready. So yes guys, so add my rest of seasoning, and then we just so allow it to simmer down. So this is how it looks. After I simmer down, then you can turn off and then it's time to serve. So guys, this is the finished look of my rice, shelly, and ready to serve. Yes guys, now me have my cucumber. Then I go wash now and then cut up and then start blend. Alright. Alright guys, so I'm going to add this amount of ginger to it. So I just cut it up like this. So yes guys, now I'm going to restrain it into a bigger container, and after I restrain it, then I will add my sugar, just a small amount of sugar, and then put to cool. Alright, so yes guys, this is the end of the making of the cucumber juice. Now I'm going to add a little bit of sugar, not much, just a small amount, and then not too sweet, not too fresh, but guys, tastes like you can take a little bit more sugar. Alright, so I'm going to just add just this small amount. Some people don't add sugar, but me add sugar to mine. Not every time, depends on the amount, but now it tastes a little bit fresh, so I have to add a little bit more sugar. Alright, so I think this is it for now. Now I'm going to cover and let it cool. Alright guys, finally finished, and this is the finished look of my rice and peas, brown stew pork, and cucumber juice. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment if you like this video. Alright, hope you guys enjoy this video. Until next time, stay blessed. Peace out.